Fact 1, the Sun is so massive, it makes up 99.8% of our solar system's mass. 5 mind-blowing space facts you didn't know. Did you know space is full of surprises? Let's dive into 5 mind-blowing facts. You could fit 3 million Earths inside it. Fact 2, black holes are so powerful, not even light can escape their gravity. Some are billions of times heavier than the Sun. Fact 3, a neutron star is so dense, just 1 teaspoon of it would weigh 6 billion tons. That's like crushing Mount Everest into a sugar cube. Fact 4, our Milky Way galaxy has over 100 billion stars. And guess what? It's just one of 2 trillion galaxies in the universe. Fact 5, time moves slower in space. Astronauts age slightly slower than people on Earth due to gravity's effects. Talk about a time warp. Which fact amazed you the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and share for more space adventures.